Static videos are boring, but what if your footage could move with the subject automatically? CapCut has a hidden tool that adds motion to your videos, no keyframes, and no manual work. Let's get started. Open CapCut and create a new project. Tap the import button and add your video to the track. Once added, go to the toolbar and look for the camera tracking tab. This is the hidden gem we'll be using today. Tap on it, you'll see several tracking presets: face, body, hand, and custom. Each one automatically tracks movement based on what you've chose. You will notice a tracking guide will appear on the previous screen. Once selected, tap the Start button to begin the tracking process. CapCut will now analyze your video. You'll notice your clip moving slightly and some blank spaces appears around the previous screen. That's because CapCut automatically rescaling your video to create camera movement all without manual keyframe. Once processing is done, you can fine-tune the result with a few key options. Shake slider adds natural handheld camera motion for camera shake. Fit to canvas keeps your video perfectly framed inside the project. Lock object size prevents zooming in or out while tracking, keeping your subject consistent. Blur canvas adds a smooth background blur. Preview the video to see your new camera movement in action. If you're satisfied with the result, tap the export button to save your video. And that's it. You've just discovered CapCut's secret camera movement tool. I've got a free step-by-step guide link in the description below. Thanks for watching and happy editing. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my videos to other nerds like us. Thanks.